You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video. Anyway, on with the race.
Oh, you've got a better start than me. Come on, Hyundai. I love this car. But that BMW's doing a good job. Oh, the gear change is tight. Come on! I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. Come on! Oh, that was so close.
But just how close was it? I checked the different camera angles, but it seems both cars crossed the line at the exact same time, completing the standing quarter mile in 14.7 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, not much turbo lag and I'm off. This is all about the gear changes. It's so close. Look, I'm pulling past him now in third. I've got more torque. I've got 380 Newton meters. That's got about 300. We weigh about the same, around 1,400 kilos. Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. Here we go, white line. Well, there you have it, people. There you have it. The older car didn't brake as good as the newer car.
Thanks for watching this 360-degree drag race video. Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.